Hi, welcome to Servant Crafts. My name is Carla, and today we'll be making a crocheted St. Therese doll. I used a pattern for a nun that you'll see linked below, and then made a few alterations to make her more like St. Therese, the little flower. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the making of St. Therese. Here is St. Therese. She's been finished and she's ready to go and be received by her new little friend. She brings with her many blessings. I hope that you have a blessed day as well.